Hello, this is Calvin and welcome to this Pixelarius Studios Blender Beginner Quick Tip. How to move or translate objects in Blender. Today I'm going to show you three options. Number one, change the location value. If you go into the side menu of the 3D viewport, you can click on this tab here. Alternatively, you can just press N as the keyboard shortcut. There's a little section here called Location. If I grab this location, I can drag it left or right, which will move my object along the x-axis or the y-axis or the z-axis. I can also type in values there, and it will move my object. Also, another location where you can change the value is, or a place where you can change the location value. If you go into the Properties area under the Object tab, then you have another area here where you can again move the location of the object. Okay, the second option for moving an object in Blender is the click and drag option. Here in the 3D viewport, you can grab onto the arrows, the orientation arrows like that, and you can just click and drag your object where desired. And the final option to move objects in Blender is to use keyboard shortcuts. If you press the letter G, it tells Blender that you want to grab the object. Then by hovering your mouse over the 3D viewport window, you can freely move the object around. To place the object in the new location, just click the left button on your mouse. Now this is generally only helpful when you are using one of your generic viewing positions. For example, if I press the number 1 in my number pad, it takes me to a front view. And so if I press G and then move my object around, it's only moving it along the x-axis, okay? If I try to move the object here, when I'm using sort of an off perspective that's not aligned with one of my axes, then I don't really know where it's going to end up, and so there's few times when you're going to need to use that option in that context. Alternatively, to get more precision in moving the object along one of its axes, press G, and then go ahead and press X, Y, or Z. In this case, I'm going to choose Z. It will restrict the motion to only that axis, in this case, the Z axis. Okay, same thing. I press G, press X, and now I'm moving along the X axis. Again, by moving your mouse within the 3D viewport, you're going to move the object along the axis, and to place the object in the new location, just left-click your mouse. Thanks for watching this Blender Beginner Quick Tip from Pixelarius Studios. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.